Check this out, peeps. Check this out. This is a MG project in construction. Got resprayed and everything, but need some engine work.
2 hours later.
Basically, in a nutshell, gonna be putting all this on this. What up, YouTubers and subscribers? It's your boy Teza Boy. Alright, peeps, bless up. Today up on the next vlog, and today we will be cutting up the E30, you know, to bond the flooring, the new floor that I got, that I told you guys about. Yeah, I got a late start, but a lot of soldiers and stuff, roadblocks and accidents on the road, so yeah, a whole bag of things. But we're there at the garage and we'll show you guys what's going on. As I said, we're gonna be cutting up the car and filling out some other spots on the flooring that we're gonna be replacing, to make sure everything is, you know, down to the T before we put it on, so we have everything in place and we don't have to be worrying about patching out flooring and stuff while we can just go ahead and replace the floor. So I'm going to show you guys what's going on in a bit. Alright guys, so as I was telling you about the flooring that we attached to the new front, so all the welds and patches that we did. So people, basically in a nutshell, gonna be putting all this on this, and I will keep you in tune. It will be as if you were here with me doing this, so stay tuned. So scrap it out, everything over there, all this is coming out. All these welds and patch that you saw was done by the infamous or the famous Peter King. This guy right here. Yeah man, big up yourself in a youth. Alright, so you don't know, all the youths them way have them trade. We are vlog with them and we are show the world, say yo, we can do it too. Yeah, all the way under the age of 30, and you don't know, we still are do it. So all that's going on, and the famous ladder man is gonna be touching that bay over there too, so you guys stay tuned. update. Alright people, this is going on right now. So they mock up, making sure that everything lines up.
Yeah.
This is what they call backyard garage.
The door then.
We don't have a chassis machine or anything like that, but believe me, when it's done, it's gonna be straight as arrow. Working with all the manual tools that we have. New flooring on the front is already on. Finalizing right now. Alright people, look what going on now. See fans them there, fans. Easy. How that? Little Stuart. Alright, so zoom in past some of my work while go on. See it? Quality work I go on here, peeps. Quality works. So them parts are not deal with it, but soon. I just want to say a big thank you to all the persons who follow my channel, who subscribed and made all this possible. I'm now over 100 subscribers, and I want you guys to go ahead and leave some comments, give me some ideas, shoot some ideas, let me know what you think of the build so far. So go ahead and leave some comments and let me know.